The Yorubas don't like the Igbos. Let us be frank about it. The Ijaw man does not like the Igbo man. The Rivers people don't like the Igbo man. But what keeps this southern state of Nigeria together now is the fact of the fear of the domination of the North. I have met it. I came to Lagos 68 years ago as a young boy of 6 years old or 5.5 years. The enmity has always been there. We call them Yamiri. I'm not a Yoruba man, but I speak the language so fluently now. But I knew the Shikism has always been there. The Igbos were controlling the police force then. And you find the Igbo man's wife would start out fighting. At the next time, police. So the Shikism has been there. The Cross River stage generally, or the River state, don't like the Igbos. That is why Bakassi seceded. Because the attitude of the Igbo-dominated Northern Eastern House of Assembly drove them away from Nigeria. Whereas the northern counterpart of Cameroons, that was accepted as part of northern region, decided to stay with Nigeria. So you can see that the dichotomy has been there, the differences have been there. When it's not politics. When we were young in Lagos, NCNC, led by Zeke, were winning elections up to 1954.